In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a person to a photo using Canva. Whether you're creating social media posts, designing invitations, or just having fun with photo edits, this simple technique will elevate your design skills. Let's begin by navigating to your Canva project. Once you're there, this technique will enable you to master photo layering, which is an incredibly useful skill. As we focus on adding an individual to an existing picture, it's important to remember how tools like Canva simplify what used to be complicated photo editing tasks. To get started, you'll need a photo with a background and a separate image of the person you want to add. Firstly, click on the original photo you wish to modify. Now, with that selected, make a duplicate of this photo. This duplication serves as a useful step that allows room for adjustments without losing the original picture. Once you've got your duplicate, click on BG Remover. This tool is crucial because it can automatically detect and eliminate the background of your image with just one click. This sets the stage for our next step, which is aligning the two pictures. Carefully align your original and duplicated images, ensuring they overlay perfectly. This alignment keeps the focus on your primary image while you prepare to integrate the new element, which in this case is the person you want to add. Now bring in the separate image of the person you'd like to include. Import this image into your Canva project. Once it's in, use BG Remover once again, but this time on the new image of the person. This removes any unwanted background, leaving just the subject itself. With the background now removed, insert this image into your original photo. Take your time to position the new person in a natural and fitting spot within your existing picture. Canva gives you the flexibility to adjust layers easily. You can move the person backward or forward until it looks just right. This layer adjustment is key to achieving a realistic look and seamless integration. And just like that, you're done. It's truly impressive how a few simple steps can transform an image. By adding layers and manipulating backgrounds, you can easily create professional quality photo edits without needing any advanced software. This guide should empower you to explore further with your designs in Canva, opening up endless possibilities for creativity. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and inspiring to use in your future projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.